Hello everyone, welcome to our new channel that is Salesforce Geeks World. This is our first video in the series of learning Salesforce, and we hope that at the end of the series, everyone who is watching these series should be good at Salesforce. They should know what Salesforce offers and what are all the capabilities that Salesforce has. I had created a series of Salesforce beginners before as well, but this is something which I thought that would be more helpful if we do it from the scratch. This whole series will merely focus on learning Salesforce right from the scratch. We'll also cover the intermediate part, like how we do the automations right from using the flows, workflows, and all those stuff. And we also cover the advanced part where we are going to create LWCs, do some coding, have those IDs installed and connected with Salesforce. So it will cover from end to end what Salesforce does. And this is our primary video. So our focus would be to have an environment first in which we can go and just log in and play around and learn Salesforce from the scratch. As you can see on my screen, I have got this URL that is salesforce.com. Now to reach to this URL, what you have to do, you have to just type developer.salesforce.com, and that's it. You can click on try for free, this button over here on the right side, and this will redirect you to this URL. So basically it's a sign up URL. Now, because I have already created a free org previously, I'm gonna create a new one just to show you guys how it can be created. In this org only, we are gonna do the development or admin stuff, and we can learn like uh, what we actually do in Salesforce. So this is the form. So once you hit the URL, you'll get to this form. You have to put your last name, first name, and then your job title, company name, region. This is not something which you have to uh, get from your company only. This is your personal details. You can put anything over here and click on this. I agree to the terms and condition what Salesforce gives. And the important part here is you have to put some genuine email over here. So for example, I'm going to use my email address, that is Salesforce Geek World. I'll copy this, come to the URL, paste it here. I'll let the system know that I'm not a robot. I'll click on sign up. As soon as I click on this button, it will redirect to this screen. It says you will receive a confirmation email soon. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. Now, if I go to my inbox, I click on refresh, I should see that email over here in some time. If not, then the other thing that I have to do is to go to that spam folder and look for the email. Generally, what happens is it takes some time, but it shows up over here only. So let me refresh. See, I have just received it. Now, if you see, I have got this username and the URL to log in. So what I can do is I can copy this username, keep it with me handy, and click on this reset password. So as soon as I click on that button, it will redirect me to this URL. I'll click again to reset password. I have to give a password over here so that I can log in next time by using this. I'll put the password here. This password should be of should contain a spatial symbol, a number, and a letter starting with caps. You can put. So once you have put in your password, this is a security question. So what does this mean? This means that in future, if you forgot your password, you don't have anything to recover. This security question would help you to remember. It's kind of a hint, like it will let you know like in what context you have put your password previously. So let me put in which city I was born. So I'll put Noida over here. Click on change password. So as soon as I click on that button, it will redirect me to the Salesforce org. I'll hit save, so that save my password. Now if you see, this is our home screen. if I click on gear icon over here on the top right, it gives me that this is a developer console option. So you, because we are learning it from the scratch and we are going to cover the intermediate and also the advanced version, advanced part of the Salesforce, we need this developer org access. So it gives, this particular org gives that. Along with that, it gives, if you see on the 9 dots, it will give all the apps access, developer edition, and all those. You can click on objects as well, select objects. So it will give like opportunity it is giving. So similarly, it will give the other objects as well. That part we are not gonna cover today. The admin portion, this is the first video, so we are just gonna cover the how you can create the your developer edition org. In our next video, we are going to cover the admin portion starting from the objects, table, fields. How does Salesforce manage all those admin part? Thanks everyone for being with me in this video. And this is our first video, so we are going to cover more things, more exciting stuff in our upcoming videos. So do subscribe my channel, hit on that subscribe button so that you would be notified when this new video comes in this series. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.